Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. It's got the power doors. I can operate with either one of the key fobs here. It's got a manual mobility conversion in the rear, manual ramp, manual door. Very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. Very easy to operate, very lightweight. It's got a handle on either side, the driver or passenger side. I'm going to grab the passenger side here. Look at that index finger. I'm taking it down using only my index finger. I tell our customers if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps. They're 34 inches wide. They taper down to 32 where the ramp sits there. 56 inches of headroom coming inside. 58 inches inside the van. Yes, this van is ADA compliant. 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here. Between those seats is about 25 inches. Very clean headliner. It's got the entertainment system, rear air, cloth seats. Very clean, lots of cup holders. Dash looks about brand new. Steering wheel controls, backup camera, dual climate control. Plenty of plugs for all your electronics. So when you've got your passengers all secure, and we do give a free set of rash shooting tie-downs away with each vehicle. When you've got all your passengers secure, come back, look at that, 1 finger. Put it all back together. These are nice because the electric ramps and doors, they are nice, but when they break, they are super costly to maintain. We can operate these sliding doors. You can shut them, from inside the van. There's multiple points. If you're going to use this van for, say, a taxi, you can always switch them to off, and they become manual doors. So if you're going to be using them a lot, you don't want to tear up those power motors. That's an option as well. This van, it's got a paint scheme that's, depending on what light you look at it in, alloy wheels. These tires look about brand new. So I found an alignment receipt in here, so I'm pretty sure these tires are brand new. There's lots and lots of tread left on them. But these Pacificas, and they're all these matching Black Lion brand. So it's not a name brand. But you can see you can slide the door shut there if you're going to use this for, say, a taxi or something like that. Very clean on the exterior. I did see one slight ding on the passenger side. Let me show that to you. Looks like a little scuff right there. We've tried to buff that out. You probably wouldn't even notice it unless I tell you, but that's why I make these videos. That's why I say, no matter who you're buying from, make sure you get a detailed video like this. Pictures do not show this stuff. Very clean interior. I'm a non-smoker. No signs of any smoking. I can smell smoke from a mile away. Back seats look like they've hardly ever been sat in. Just a super clean van inside and out. Yeah, it does have a few miles on it, but I'm going to guess most of these were highway miles. Does have the power driver seat as well. The current miles are 41,056, so just kicked over 41,000. It's got the push to start, so if your key's in your purse or your pocket, you can come on in. You don't have to worry about digging them out. Got the backup camera as well, a great safety option. No check engine lights, no dummy lights, none of that are on. So let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, had a 3.6 V6 engine. Very clean, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. We check these over very thorough before we buy them. I do not want anything that's been in an accident. I don't want anything that's been pulled out from a lake. I don't want a salvage title. I'm buying from the same perspective you are. I don't want anything with any trouble. And that's why I'm out here in that's just the air conditioner dripping down. I'm out here in 100-degree heat laying on the ground. Not because I like doing this, but because I want you to know exactly what you're getting. A lot of these dealers will send you a few pictures and expect you to spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 never seeing a vehicle. That's lazy in my opinion. If you're going to ask someone to spend that kind of money, and you as a consumer, you have a responsibility as well. You have a responsibility to demand that you know exactly what you're getting. That's the number one mistake people make when they are buying a vehicle. They assume things. They assume because the pictures were nice. They assume because the person on the phone was nice to them. They assume it's going to be a good vehicle. They assume they know everything about it. And 80% of the time, when you get that vehicle, it's not going to be exactly what you expected. Do you want to spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 to hope you get what you want? Or do you want a video like this that's coming from the owner of the company so you know exactly what you're getting? So with that being said, Let's get the van out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles on the highway so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift, and you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or you come in and drive this vehicle home, you know that we've made sure this van is roadworthy. You don't know that unless you get a video. So that's why I've got this video, this cement truck in front of me. I'm gonna let him get out of the way a little bit here. He might be throwing some rocks or something, and we definitely don't want that. So let me kick this up to about 70 miles an hour here. Good acceleration, got it to 70. Steering wheel is nice and straight. No unusual vibration. It tracks down the highway very nicely. Now, I know there's a lot of companies out there selling mobility vans. Ask yourself, compare our reputation to theirs. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. See if they do. And if they don't, well, Affordable Mobility won them nothing. Look at our ratings on Google. Check out all the things people had to say about us, the great things we do in our community. You know, we are a dealership and we take pride in our reputation. What I'll do is take the next exit here. I'm going to give the van a hard brake at the bottom of the exit so you can see there's no unusual vibration, no braking noise, no squeaking, so I'll be quiet here. It brakes excellent. So is this a brand new vehicle? Of course not. Boy, it looks great, drives great, very few small blemishes, you know, to be expected on a vehicle with 40,000 miles, 41,000 miles. Overall, though, super clean, and whether you're using this for a business or your family, I think if this van is taken care of, it should make a great van for years to last. Other thing when we're getting back to is my mailman buddy. Sorry, he's on my route. You got to see my mailman buddy. I'll say hi to him. But when you compare us to the competition, we don't have any hidden fees, no document fees, no tag fees. A lot of these dealers have a great price online. They can compare with us. And then you call them and you talk to them and they start telling you about this $500 document fee they have, or $1,000 or $1,200. My question to you is, if they're hiding money from you, if they're hiding, the price is the price. You know, why are you hiding money? If you're hiding money, what else are you hiding? Something you certainly need to ask yourself. We get out and we make detailed videos, so I want you to know exactly what you're getting. I don't want any surprises. That's one thing we stand out from the competition as well. Tell them to get out and make a video like this. Don't guess what you're getting, know what you're getting. Which brings me to my next point. I am the owner. I am not a used car salesman. I'm out here, I care about our reputation. Most of these used car salesmen, they're not even going to be working at that location, at that store in another month or two. They move around all the time. They don't care if you get a good deal. They don't care if you get the honest truth. They just care about that commission check. And that's the difference of doing business with a used car salesman and the owner of a company. Which are you going to do business with? We do have financing available. If you'd ever like to see our entire inventory, please check us out at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. If you'd like to give us a call, it goes right to my cell phone, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text, 316-518-4377. Again, my name is Jeremiah. I am the owner of the company, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. If you ever are going to stop by, please always make an appointment with us. I know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you. So as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call me today.